nigga! How do you feel now, bitch? What's up, mommy? What's up, mommy?
Yo, listen, my nuts is sticking to my fucking leg. Yo, it's hot. It's fucking hot. Yeah, it's me. I got 6 bags, 13 books, a fucking 90-pound toolbox. Shit. Yo, what's this at,
I don't know. I think you probably fighting the other bull.
No.
Probably went to go fuck that white bull up, not you not.
No, he ain't going to do
I thought they were about to go fight in the bedroom and shit.
Wait, that's what he told you?
That's what I think.
Cause I was just back there.
Nah, that one boy got a little smart mouth.
He does,
you
man.
Mike really is disrespectful, dog. Listen, yo, when we get
Jay
intro,
Leno.
Talk about Jay Leno. That's my man's new name and shit, Jay.
if I done told Rich half this shit was good, Rich would have stolen the claim. That's how deep it would have got. Rich would have dropped that nigga in claim.
I would have. He got too much fucking mouth, dog.
Yeah, no,
Straight up.
He don't know what the fuck to say out his mouth.
Not at all. Dan cool.
Dan is cool. Yo, even Dan said we're playing fair. This motherfucker be acting fucking weird, man. I'm about to not cut him off. And that's his cousin, dog.
He act like a bitch.
Man, you a bitch too, nigga.
Man, fuck you fat fucker.
Cousins or butt brothers or something. Yeah, and I'm saying it. And I'm saying it on YouTube. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the man, Montana motherfuckers, nigga. Shit. Fuck that bitch sitting in the passenger side too.
Fuck you too.
That's what I'm saying.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck this motherfucker driving the car too. Shit. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Fuck that shit. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm taking a rerun. Look, fuck all 3 of these bitches, dog. 1, 2, look, fuck you too. Fuck your mother, fuck your dad, fuck all y'all motherfucking dead motherfuckers too, nigga. I don't give a fuck.
I'm gonna give your mom a whole set.
Man, yeah, fuck that bitch too, man. I don't give a fuck about it.
I ain't gonna tell you how your great grandma sucked deep in their life.
Oh, there you go. That's one thing. Don't mess with my grandma, dog. I had to bury my own grandmother.
You started it.
I said not but your grandma, though. I said your mom.
Monday, you came to my grandma.
What? You a damn lie.
Yeah,
that was your granddad.
And that was your baby daddy.
And this shit's still on, yo. These motherfuckers, are they either fighting or something? Because they ain't coming out.